Okay, I'm going to be talking about the section 2, chapter 4, page 2, Fibonacci, the golden ratio, relationship to the universe, and it's a part 2. Now, as we say in page 1, part 1, that Fibonacci worked out this figure of spiral, that if you get the Fibonacci number, eventually you'll come to a figure which is called phi, phi, which is a Greek word, Greek alphabet, which is 1.6180339887, and it goes on for infinity. It's an endless number. Now, that number is called a golden ratio, or a golden mean, or a golden section. So I'm just going to get my yin and yang, because that's very important. Without it, I cannot run my business. So the other number, which is now very important, is the pi, number pi, which is the diameter of a circle, or circumference of a circle, divided by diameter. And that's another number which is very, very important, which is 3.141592, and it goes on for infinity, that number. The interesting thing about these two numbers, the phi and pi, is that, as we said, man, in Trinity of Taoism, man stands on the square, right, on the square, and on yang, which is heaven, between yin and yang, heaven and earth. So heaven is square, and earth is circle. Now, the two figure of pi and phi represents, square represents the earth and circle represents the heaven. So those two numbers, which are very, very, very important, represent the circle and a square, which is heaven and earth. So it represents the Daoism, because in previous chapter we talked about that. Man is at the junction of heaven, earth, and man. The Chinese coin, heaven, earth, man, and the I Ching is depend on that. It's based on that Taoism. So this is phi. It's called the golden ratio, the golden mean, or extreme mean, or divine proportion, or golden proportion, golden cut, or golden number. Basically, it means that from the theoretical, mathematical theoretician, mathematical, which work on the yang, that the universe is mathematical. The universe is number. The universe is logic, is order, and is number. And if you can find those order in the universe, that you can find the answer to the universe, which is true, as I said, to half of the equation. But the other half is the Tao, the energy, the spirit, the soul. So no matter how much you can put it in numbers, you only go to the half of the equation, and the other half you miss it. And if you don't work on the other half, it's like walking on one leg. You can't work. You got to work on two legs. So, and that's why the scientists make a lot of mistakes.